Icha, desire, dvesha, envy. You ever heard this? So these two illusions everyone's covered by. Desire and envy. Where's the Anand? Desire does not produce Anand, and envy never produces Anand. Being niskinchan, being a kinchan or niskinchan, desireless, then one can develop the adhikar to surrender to God. And then receive Anand. When you surrender to God, what is the biggest gift you get when you surrender to God? What is the biggest gift you get when you surrender to God? Have you ever heard of God? Bhagavan Sharanagati?
Ananda.
Who said?
Ananda.
Yeah, Anand was right. Westerners say Ananda. A is silent. We say Ananda. Anandamayi ashram. Anandamayi. Anyway, whatever. Everyone knows. That's the gift. Anand. Bliss. Bhakti means bliss because bhakti is a gift of God, received from Guru. Because bhakti begins when one surrenders to Guru. Everything else is practice. It's bhakti. It's full bhakti, but the proof that it's full bhakti is Krishna gives you Guru.